Hello, friends. I am DK and I welcome you all to our famous tutorial series Zero to Hero. This is, friends, the episode number 56, and we will discuss today some of the mistakes which we do in stock market which prove to be very costly in the market. So certain stock market mistakes which we should always avoid is the topic of the day, because ultimately we are all aware that 95% of the people in stock market do make a loss, and ultimately 5% of the few people are winners in the stock market, and it's a zero sum business, friends. Means 95% money lost by the people are transferred in the bank accounts of 5% of the people who are finally winners. So these 5% of the people, they do not commit these common mistakes which we should learn today. So friends, subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you remain updated all the time. Let's begin and start our discussion on this subject. So friends, let's never forget that we are into stock market, and stock market offers immense potential to make money. But in order to achieve this very objective of creating wealth, we should keep in mind that the stock market has not only potential to deliver high returns on your investment, but it can only become a reality when we do a proper due diligence in the market, which involves many things, maybe analytical aspect, risk management, and all those aspects to avoid certain mistakes. It is quite common for the people to blame stock market when they lose money. You might have heard in the market that stock market suddenly had fallen, this has happened, that has happened. These are all kind of alibis or excuses an investors or traders do in the market when the market doesn't go in favor of that particular trader or an investor. More often than not, it is the result of the fault of an investor or a trader in majority of the time. In this particular episode of Zero to Hero, we will let you know 5 stock market mistakes which you should avoid to make profits from stock market consistently. So let's move ahead and discuss those 5 mistakes which are commonly done in the market, which prevent a person from making money in the market, which has an enormous potential to make money, so that you don't repeat such mistakes in your stock market trading business. So friends, mistake number 1, inadequate analysis. Friends, how we can even imagine to buy certain stock without going for a research or in-depth analysis of that stock? Simply because somebody has told me? That is the very important aspect to be borne in the mind. It's a cardinal mistake which you must avoid while investing or trading in the stock market, or for that matter in financial market as a whole. Before even entering the market and even after entering the market, it is very essential for us to know how the stock market behaves. We have discussed under various tutorial video under Zero to Hero what is the market structure, what are the market phases in which the market operates, how the market wave formation takes place in markup phase, in markdown phase, in accumulation phase, in distribution phase. These are the very important aspects and the underlying principles, that 6 doctrines of Charles S. Dow. If the conceptual clarity is there in the mind for all those 6 doctrines which are popularly known as Dow theory, then we are not likely to commit a silly kind of mistake in stock market. So once we are armed with proper knowledge and skill to use the knowledge which we have gained, this will help us make an informed decision and avoid being rash. What do I mean by rash? If you know driving, you can drive the car fast. It's not rash driving. But even if you know driving, but you don't do the proper research of the path on which you are moving or driving your car, the traffic rules, then probably you are likely to be rash. When steering may go out of your control and which will cause a serious accident. Similarly, it happens in the market. Either we do not have the knowledge or else we are not ready to give proper time for research and analysis of the stock which we are going to pick up. Make sure to conduct an in-depth analysis of a stock market or a particular stock which you are going to choose to make it a part of your portfolio. So friends, another mistake which majority of the people do, they follow the herd mentality. See, the crowd mentality or the herd mentality may be detrimental, because we all know the moment you have a herd mentality which is being followed, which means what? We are following those 95% of the people who are not likely to be successful in the market. This means while investing in the stock market or trading in the stock market, it's very, very important to avoid the herd mentality or the mass mentality. If a majority of the people are investing in a particular stock, it's always necessary that we should never choose to avoid this stock. What I'm trying to say is, if you hear that lot many people are following a particular stock, we have discussed on this channel many stocks, parabolic rise is there and we chase that stock and we are likely to commit mistake and lose our money. So if a majority of people are investing in a particular stock, it's not necessary that we should also jump into that particular stock and start investing. Your financial goal and risk appetite must decide your investments and your stock which will find its place in your portfolio. Investing a lump sum amount or a lump sum money in a particular stock is a very, very common mentality across the globe. What people do, they find a stock and they put a lump sum money without having considered the risk management and money management aspect, position sizing aspect. Once we have selected a stock and done enough research on that or analysis on that, and once we have concluded that this stock is good which can find place in your portfolio, then you have to prepare the proper strategy. At what price you will make an entry? Is this a value entry or not? Then you will place your all risk management element into place, like a stop loss. Your exit policy should be in place. Whether you exit at a loss or exit at a profit, it should be well decided before you buy that stock. And position sizing. We have already covered all these aspects as to how you will expose yourself to a risk. 1%, 2% of your trading capital or investment amount. And then friends, do a proper position sizing. And a strategy should be well defined. If all these elements are in place, you are well controlled on your business, which is a business in the stock market, or else these are the common mistakes which results into loss. Another common approach is, which is virtually fall under the category of mistakes majority of the people do, is acting on advice. whether that advice is coming from friends or peers, or that advice is coming from newspaper you read, or that advice is coming from the YouTube channel you watch, or a TV channel. So news can change your views if you are not having a proper or adequate knowledge about the subject. And hence, friends, I have been always emphasizing that if you want to take control on your own money and not get influenced with the incoming news or any kind of inputs or stimulus which comes from outside, you need to watch each and every video under Zero to Hero playlist to arm yourself with knowledge and skill to be ready to handle your money yourself without depending upon anybody else. And hence, friends, acting on the newspaper, YouTube channel, TV channel, all those things, is a result of committing mistake in the market, which prevent majority of the people to to encash the immense potential which a stock market offers in various stocks in the market. And hence, friends, it's very, very important to arm yourself with the knowledge and the skill which is required to do the basic research of a particular stock, adequate research of that particular stock, and you will not be flown away due to the herd mentality and all other mistakes that we have already discussed. Another common mistakes which majority of the people do is they sell the stocks in panicky, and in deviation to the strategy they have decided or built in before buying that stock, or else they have not made a strategy at all. So stock market remains volatile from time to time, and its volatility increase and decrease with the time that we have already discussed, especially when we were talking about the volatility based indicator Bollinger Bands, which is an indicator which is primarily used to understand the volatility in the market. And hence, friends, many factors may contribute towards the volatility. When I am recording this particular tutorial, we have seen the major volatility, a kind of steep fall in the market due to so-called, now the people are discussing why it has happened. You don't make money by doing a postmortem of the event which has already taken place. So new COVID strain has been found, and all these kind of panic situation, if it's creating a stress in you, which means you have not armed yourself with the knowledge and skill which is primarily a need or essential ingredient or essential for achieving success and encashing the immense potential in the stock market. So it's very, very important not to get out of the market in panic situation or exit the investment due to the short-term volatility in the market, because even one of the doctors of Charles Dow says very clearly, the market remains in trend unless and until a definite signal is observed on the price chart. So friends, we should understand and coolly analyze the market, whether it is a correction or whether it is a trend reversal. If it is a trend reversal, then of course we should exit the market. But once we have entered into the market or bought certain stock, which means we have placed our strategy in place, we know our exit plan, either in profit or in loss, we should rigidly stick to it. Rigidly adhering to the strategy which has been made before we have bought that particular stock should not be deviated. Riding the trend and trailing the stop loss will make you maximum money in the stock market or financial market. So friends, you must introspect as to why, if you are also committing these kind of mistakes. I would like you to offer your comments. And the only way to be in control in the business is to develop knowledge and a skill to analyze the market and formulate the trading strategy or investment strategy, risk management, position sizing, money management. If all these elements are in place, then there should not be worry. The short term volatility in the market should not trouble you because you understand as to how market behaves. You understand the very market structure, and hence friends, you will not commit this kind of mistakes. I call it as silly mistakes. So friends, these are the 5 mistakes which you should always avoid. And it is very much possible the moment we are arming ourselves with the knowledge and skill which is required to be successful in the stock market. It is very much possible not to be in panicky when market is volatile and taking a correction. Yes, if the market structure has changed and it has given a definite signal, we should exit the market. If risk management and all those aspects are in place, we are well controlled in our business. So friends, I'll be looking forward for your comments and the comment section of this video. And secondly, friends, write down these 5 mistakes which I have today shared with you. And by the process of auto suggestion, you must try to make a permanent traces in your mind to be part of your subconscious mind so that you don't commit these kind of mistakes. If you're not aware of how the auto suggestion works, someday I will make a video for which you have to write a comment on the comment section that probably auto suggestion is a method we should apply to be in a right mindset to be successful in the stock market, either in trading or investing in the financial market. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our channel.